In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix GitHub app not working. If you are experiencing any challenge with your app, maybe the app can't open or it keeps on crashing or it is too slow, then use any of these methods to fix it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, there are quite a number of methods you can use to fix this issue. In the first method, we need to go ahead and access this app info page. To do this, you can either go through settings or you can use a shortcut by just long pressing on your app and then tap on app info. Now under the app info page, and here we need to go ahead and clear the cache data. So when I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. However, accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this, tap on clear data and then choose the second option, clear cache, then OK. And look at that, our cache data has been cleared. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your GitHub app, and it should have fixed any issue with the app. However, should this not work, then you need to go ahead again and come back to this app info page for the app and tap on clear all data and then OK. Should this method not work, now head to the third method, and that is to look for any GitHub app update through your Google Play Store or App Store. In my case, I already have an up-to-date app. If you find we have an update for the GitHub app, go ahead and tap on update, and this will install the latest version of GitHub that is supported. However, should this not work, maybe your app still crashes, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this app and then install the latest version of this app, which is fresh, free from any bugs. So that's how you can solve any issues related to GitHub app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.